House, we need a 10 mil, bro.
Yeah, good.
It's always a 10 mil.
I know, bro. It's always gets lost,
Every
bro.
time.
Every time.
You got it?
Yeah, bro.
Far out. I need to call the boys. Fucking, I'm getting a call from Mems. Yeah, Mems. Yo, Jordan, come to the warehouse, bro. I need help with the Skyline. Yeah, no worries, bro. We're on our way. So ThatCarLife apparel has officially dropped and I'm so excited, guys. This is something I've been wanting to do for so many years, ever since I started ThatCarLife. So I'm so pumped that we finally made this happen, and I'm so keen to bring you guys some awesome apparel. So the reason why the title is as dramatic as what it is, it's honestly pretty accurate. It's not even that clickbait. This honestly is the biggest risk I've ever taken in my life, because I have recently quit my full-time job, and it was a full-time job that was comfortable, paid well, and you know, everyone would say, you know, it's a pretty good career path in that, you know, in that career. And I would agree as well, but at the end of the day, I was never really fulfilled, never really happy, because you know, ThatCarLife, YouTube, the brand, cars in general, it's my passion, it's my dream. And you know, I didn't want to look back in the future and regret not following my dream, not chasing my passion, and looking back and not seeing where this journey could take me if I put more time and more effort into it. So with that in mind, you know, I've basically quit full-time, getting into a part-time job so I can put more effort into ThatCarLife. So you guys are going to see the difference. We're going to pump out way more videos than we normally do. The brand, the website, we've already dropped the apparel, which you guys can see, and we've got way more things coming for that. It's going to be so cool. Basically, I'm working on some amazing stuff for ThatCarLife, the channel, and ThatCarLife, the brand as well. And I could not have gotten this far without all of your support, everyone that's been supporting and following for all these years. And yeah, I really appreciate each and every single one of you. So pretty much, yeah, this is a massive risk for me, because I've never really done anything like this before. You know, quitting something that's like stable, not having like a stable thing, you know, or taking, I guess, a risk like this, you know, having your own business, your own brand, it is a bit of a risk, you know. It's a big risk, especially for me, but when it's your dream, when it's something you're passionate about, it's definitely worth giving it a go. And if you fail, at least you gave it a go. If you succeed, well then there you go. That's where I'm at now, guys. And with all of that in mind as well, if you guys do want to support the channel and the brand and everything like that, it would honestly mean the world if you guys cop some stickers, some apparel, anything like that. It would honestly make a massive difference, as all of that goes back into the channel, into the business, and it's going to help grow everything. And hopefully ThatCarLife is going to be massive someday. So pretty much you can get ThatCarLife shirts and hoodies with some designs that we have on the site. But the very special thing that we have, which I'm really excited about, is when you place your order, you have an option to upload a photo of your car. We get it drawn by an artist and put onto the back of the shirt or hoodie that you buy, and you basically get to walk around. You wear a ThatCarLife hoodie, but you get to rep your car on the back of the shirt. So as an example, this is the S15 shirt that I've got at the moment. Pretty much, yeah, we get it drawn and put onto the back of the shirt just like this. So if you guys want to rep the brand of ThatCarLife, but also rep your own car, definitely I think you guys would love that as an option. I'd be so keen to go to car meets and events and stuff and see ThatCarLife hoodies or shirts with your own cars on it. That would be so sick. And if any of you do cop a ThatCarLife decal or any ThatCarLife apparel stuff, yeah, please tag us, post it on your story, send it to our DM, anything like that. I'd love to see you guys repping some ThatCarLife stuff, and I'd love to share it around and post it if you guys are okay with that as well. So I'm gonna leave the video here, guys, but before I do, I'm gonna leave you guys with a sneak peek for the next video that is dropping on Friday. It's a banger. Ouch. Unmarked sponsor us. Yeah. Oh shit. I got this. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time on ThatCarLife.